The next part is that I take this ignition coils away, and there is 10mm bolts in here up area, and they are easy to remove, and after that I can pull out these ignition coils, this part, and I take all of these 4 coils away next. And sometimes these ignition coils can't be stuck, and when we use our screwdriver, this opens in that way. Good. Okay, and next part is that I have to take spark plugs away, and I need now 16mm socket and longer, like 20 or 1 feet extension. And then when these are ready, opening direction is in that way, and I can use this my impact driver. And there are those spark plugs, and next I take all of these 4 away in here.